In today's video, I'm about to show you how to watch Showbox on your Xbox. This is completely free. Now, the downside to this way is you still need a phone. Like my previous videos I've done over the years, you still kind of need a phone and then you stream your phone into your Xbox. But this time around with the newest version of Showbox, that it won't let you stream that episode or the movie straight to the Xbox. This is just the downside of the things I'm going to talk about. So the other function you need for your Xbox is the wireless display app on the Xbox. It's completely free to download and it works on PC, it works on pretty much everything that is allowed to stream, or at least allowed to connect to. So I'm going to be streaming my phone to the Xbox and then watching Showbox that way. Now with the negatives done, let's show how to do it. So the first thing you need to do is go down the link and download Showbox. Showbox is completely free to download. It's not illegal. It is illegal to download, but we go with the show. So go to the link, then you just go for the standard stuff. So you download Showbox, and also make sure then you allow your internet privacy settings to download apps through website links or even just through a website. Once you got that downloaded on your Xbox at the same time or at a separate time, whatever way, you need to download the Xbox wireless app. Now that's in the Microsoft Store. Again, it's completely for free. Now the other thing you need to do is, depending on your phone, is to see how you can stream your phone. With mine, it's in my settings. A lot of phones don't usually allow it unless you're going to be connected to the same brand or whatever my case may be. You can use apps on the App Store, on the Google Play Store, or even on the iPhone Store, but at the same time I don't really know which ones to recommend, just because mine's built into my phone. Mine's built into the phone. I'm allowed to do this through my phone. So again, depending on your phone, you maybe want to do some research on that one. Now all you got to do for me is literally open up the wireless display app on your Xbox, which then it gives you your Xbox name since it's already been connected to your wireless phone. Now from here on the phone, as you can pretty see now here, as now I get the phone set up, I'm just recording. So from here, all I need to do is scroll down on my phone, find screencasting. Now it's going to pop up names, a list of maybe TVs and all my Xbox straight away, because it's kind of the same Wi-Fi. If you've got TVs allowed streaming to, or even your PlayStation, then it might be able to pick that up. But mainly it's going to just pick up your Xbox as soon as you open the Xbox app. Now we tap on the Xbox, and obviously my phone by default, just for my security information, it's going to warn me about obviously my stream is being played on somewhere else, so it's going to allow people to see my passwords, my email address, my phone numbers, my bank details, just in case. It's just a boring old crap. But honestly, if you're just going to do this for you and as well as for your family, then it's not really a big problem. This is just mainly a case of you trying to connect to someone else's Xbox or someone else's computer device in the house. So now what we do is click allow streaming. That might take too long. So try again, try to click streaming, and now the Xbox is going to be allowed. Now you got this mouse looking thing, which that's fine. What you could do with that, it's quite easy to do, is push it out of the way. So just click enable. And then the other thing you want to do is go to your favourite show. So for this example, I live in the UK, so Young Sheldon season 7 is not even out yet for me, but because of Showbox, I'm able to watch it early and enjoy it at the same time as the Americans did. Now as you can see right now, as my phone is in the background, so right now I'm going to just click on episode 1. From here then I'm going to click the second link. Usually the top link doesn't usually work, but if you click the second one, and then we do any layer to download or whatever it's trying to connect the stream link. Now it says it's successful. If one of these links doesn't work, just try the other ones, and usually it does work. Now click play now. Now as you're playing, and now you're thinking that's a bit small. What you want to do is to tilt your phone like this, and automatically then it becomes like a big screen. Now the best thing is to obviously, what you want to do is when you put your phone down, is to lay your phone down like so. Obviously at the moment I got my soundbar off, but if I turn my soundbar on.
Aux in mode.
Wait a minute.
HDMI mode. Bluetooth mode. Line in mode.
Sorry.
Oh, my mind.
Which obviously give the order for your speakers. So you might listen to the audio from the phone and
Help me pick it up.
watching the picture on the phone. So that is a simple, easy tutorial of how to watch Showbox on your Xbox completely for free. If you guys did enjoy today's video and want to know how to get Showbox on your Xbox, this is the correct way they do it. Now, if you're wondering what else tricks you could do with your Xbox, you want to learn how to change the voice on your Xbox, then you should definitely go and check out this video. It's completely for free as well. That's the main thing. But see you guys in the next one. Bye for now.